This week at NASA. Scraping just under the surface of Mars's northern polar region, the Phoenix lander has uncovered a white substance. At this point, members of the Phoenix science team at the University of Arizona in Tucson aren't sure exactly what the substance is, but they are excited by its discovery.
We see what looks like a hard surface that may be ice, it may be salt, maybe partially rock. We just don't know yet, but it's certainly the place where we thought we'd find ice in this location.
Phoenix will try to determine the substance's makeup and possible origin through analysis in the lander's onboard laboratory. A new coming-of-age portrait of the inner Milky Way galaxy has been created by astronomers using data from NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope. More than 800,000 infrared snapshots have been pieced together to create this new vision. It's the largest, most sensitive, and highest resolution picture ever taken of our home galaxy. This whimsical vision of a lunar traffic jam won the first annual NASA Lunar Art Contest, sponsored by the Langley Research Center. The work by sophomore Justin Burns of the University of Memphis was judged best of 26 entries submitted by high school and college students from around the country. A tie for first place topped the high school division. This co-winning entry by Asa Schultz of Forest, Virginia is titled Pole Colony, while fellow first-place winner William Zhang of San Diego, California, captured the judges' attention with To the Moon and Beyond. The Lunar Art Contest encourages collaboration between students in creative arts, science, and engineering to present different and important perspectives of NASA's future missions to the Moon and beyond. The top 2 high school and top 4 college entries will be exhibited this summer at Langley, the Virginia Air and Space Center in Hampton, and NASA headquarters. You can view them online at http://artcontest.lark.nasa.gov. Expedition 17 astronaut and longtime New York Yankees fan Garrett Reisman was featured in a recent segment of This Week in Baseball.
Station, this is Houston. Are you ready for the event?
Reisman spoke of his devotion to the Bronx Bombers while growing up in nearby Parsippany, New Jersey, and why Yankee memorabilia he has on the International Space Station makes him feel more at home. Reisman was honored when the team invited him to throw out the first pitch at a recent game at Yankee Stadium.
I had no idea how big that was going to be and that so many people would be talking about it. So it was really a special thing and made a big splash. So I was happy I got a chance to do it.
Reisman is scheduled to return to Earth on June 14th with the STS-124 crew aboard Space Shuttle Discovery. The Glenn Research Center's Plum Brook Station celebrated NASA's 50th anniversary with a 2-day open house. Visitors to the 6,400-acre campus in Sandusky, Ohio, toured several world-class test facilities, including the Space Power Facility, home to the world's largest vacuum chamber, and the Spacecraft Propulsion Facility, known as the B-2. It was there that Plum Brook engineers tested full-scale rocket engines for spaceflight. Children enjoyed hands-on activities, and guests of all ages viewed numerous exhibits and demonstrations by Plum Brook personnel. And that's This Week at NASA. To learn more about these and other stories, log on to www.nasa.gov.